Hello students, welcome to my channel KT's Commerce Classes. Today again company accounts, accounting of share capital part 2. Today we will discuss issue of shares at par and payment in installment. First we have to know what is issue of share at par. Issue of share at par means the issue price and nominal or face value of the share is same. Number 1, for receipt of application money, bank account debit to share application. Number 2, for transfer of application money to share capital on allotment of shares, share capital account debit to share capital. Number 3, for transfer of excess application money towards allotment money in case of oversubscription, entry will be share application account debit to share allotment. Number 4, for refund of excess application money account debit to bank. Number 5, for allotment money becoming due, share allotment account debit to share capital. 6, for receipt of allotment money, bank account debit to share allotment. 7, for unpaid balance of allotment money, calls in arrear account debit to share allotment. Number 8, for making first call due, share capital account due debit to share capital. Share first call account debit to share first. Number 8, again I am telling, for making first call due, share first call debit to share capital account. Number 9, for receipt of first call, bank account debit to share first call account. Number 10, for making second and final call due, share second and final call debit to share capital account. Number 11, for receipt of second and first final call money, bank account debit to share second and final call account. Here also, if any unpaid balance of second and final call money, we have to write calls in arrear account debit to share second and final call account. Now, number 12, forfeiture of shares issued at par, share capital account debit to calls in arrear to share forfeiture account. Number 13, forfeited shares reissued at a discount, entry will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital. Number 14, share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve, means share forfeiture transfer to capital reserve account. Question given, a limited company invited application for 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each. The share money was payable rupees 2 on application, rupees 3 on allotment, and the balance on first and final call. Application were received for 52,000 shares and excess application money was refunded. The company received all monies due except on 300 shares held by one shareholder who failed to pay the call money. These shares were subsequently reissued to RAM as fully paid for rupees 7 per share. Show the journal entries and the balance sheet of the company. Answer given in the books of ... First, application money to be received. Application received for how much shares? 52,000 shares. So, application money received on 52,000 shares at the rate of 2 each. Entry will be bank account debit to share application 1,04,000. Then application money transferred to share capital and excess application money refunded back. Entry will be share application debit to share capital account to bank account. Share application account debit 1,04,000, share capital 1 lakh, bank 4,000. Narration will be being application money on 50,000 shares at the rate of 2 each transferred to share capital account, and excess shares at the excess shares of 2000 at the rate of 2 each, refunded as per board resolution number dated 2000 into 2, it will be 4000. Now allotment money due on 50,000 shares at the rate of 3 each, value will be 1,50,000. Our accounting entry will be share allotment debit to share capital account 1,50,000. Narration will be being allotment money due on 50,000 shares at the rate of 3 each as per board resolution number dated . Now we have to collect the allotment money. For collection of allotment money, entry will be bank account debit to share allotment account 1,50,000. Being allotment money received on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 3 each. Now first call money transferred, first and final call money transferred to share capital. So first and final call money on 50,000 shares, due on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each, it will be 2,50,000. So accounting entry will be first and final call account debit to share capital account rupees 2,50,000. Narration will be being first and final call money due on 50,000 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each as per board resolution number dated . Now collection of first and final call money. First and final call money received on how much shares? 49,700 shares. Because a holder holding 300 shares failed to pay what? Failed to pay call money. Accounting entry will be bank account debit, call scenario debit to first and final call account. So first and final call value how much? We calculated 2,50,000. Call scenario will be 300 into 5, 1,500. Bank account debit balancing figure 2,50,000 minus 1,500. It will be 2,48,500. Narration will be being first and final call money received on 49,700 shares at the rate of rupees 5 each. Now the failure on 300 shares on first and final call will be forfeited by the company. For forfeiture, accounting entry will be share capital debit to call scenario account to share forfeiture account. Share capital will be 300 into 10, 3,000. Call scenario we calculated previously 1,500. So 3,000 minus 1,500, balancing will be 1,500. Narration will be being 300 shares for failed 300 shares forfeited for non-payment of first and final call money as per board resolution number dated . Now the 300 shares which were forfeited by the company were reissued to a new shareholder known as Ram. Entry will be bank account debit, share forfeiture account debit to share capital account. Share capital will be 3,000 into 10, 300 into 10, 3,000. Bank will be 300 into 7, reissued at rupees 7 per share. So 300 into 7, it will be 2,100. So 3,000 minus 2,100, that is 900. That is transferred to share forfeiture account. And share forfeiture account debited is how much? 900. Narration will be being reissue of 300 shares forfeited. 300 forfeited shares of rupees 10 each at rupees 7 per share as fully paid up as per board resolution number dated . Now we calculated share forfeiture credited is how much? 1,500. Share forfeiture debited is how much? 900. We know share forfeiture credit, that is gain, share forfeiture debit will be loss. So actual gain will be 1,500 minus 900, that is 600. That will be transferred to which account? Capital reserve account. Accounting entry will be share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. Being profit on reissue of forfeited shares transferred to capital reserve account. amount 600 600. Accounting entry, share forfeiture account debit to capital reserve account. First we have to prepare note to account while preparing balance sheet. Note to account particular amount rupees. Number 1, share capital. Authorized capital not given in question dash. Issued capital 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, it is 5 lakh. Subscribed capital, subscribe and fully paid up 50,000 shares of rupees 10 each, 5 lakh. Number 2, under reserve and surplus, capital reserve 600. Number 3, cash and cash equivalent, cash at bank 5 lakh 600. Now we went to balance sheet. Balance sheet as at ... particulars. Note number, amount rupees. Number 1, equity and liabilities. Number 1, shareholders fund contains share capital. A, share capital. Note number 1, amount 5 lakhs. B, reserve and surplus. Note number 2, amount 60,000. So total of equity and liability 5 lakh 600. Assets. Number 1, current assets. Under current asset, cash and cash equivalent. Note number 3, amount we calculated 5 lakh 600. So total 5 lakh 600. So asset always equals to liability.